In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get working Turo promo codes. Whether you're a seasoned user or just beginning your Turo journey, these tips will help you save on your next car rental with Turo, the popular car sharing platform. Let's dive into the best strategies to score those budget-friendly discounts. First, make it a habit to visit Turo's official promotions page regularly. It's indeed the best source for the latest and most reliable promotional codes. Turo frequently updates this page with a range of discounts designed to cater to both new and returning users. From seasonal promotions to deals linked to special events, you never know when you might find a deal tailored just for you. Next, if you're new to Turo, you're in luck. The platform offers a welcome discount that usually ranges between $35 to $50 off your first rental. This is a great incentive to try out their service. When signing up, ensure you're using a valid email address, as this is crucial for receiving your discount and other promotional offers directly to your inbox. Social media is another fantastic avenue to explore for exclusive codes. By following Turo on popular platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, you'll gain access to updates and exclusive discounts that they occasionally post for their followers. It's a simple way to stay in the loop without much effort on your part. Consider using trusted coupon websites as well. Websites like Capital One Shopping, Retail Me Not, and Honey are excellent resources for finding legitimate Turo promo codes. These sites aggregate deals from across the web, making it easier to find codes that work and to see user reviews on their success rates. Another excellent strategy is to leverage Turo's referral program. This is a win-win situation where both you and your friend get to benefit from discounts. If you have friends who've already experienced Turo services, ask them for a referral link. Conversely, share your referral link with others to enjoy even more savings. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of newsletters. By subscribing to Turo's emails, you open the door to receiving promo codes directly, catering to your travel interests and special occasions. Just make sure to adjust your email preferences to allow promotional messages so you don't miss out on these exclusive offers. By following these steps, you can enjoy the best deals Turo has to offer and make the most of your car sharing experiences. Take advantage of promotions, referrals, and trusted sources to keep your travel costs down and your spirits high. Thanks for tuning in, and happy driving with Turo.